Hi Harrison, I'm Chef Amick,
And I'm Chef Shane.
and today we are making pizza sandwiches. So what you want to do to start off with is some pizza sauce, and you just put it on your piece of bread. Alright, so after you add your pizza sauce, it will look like that. And then you add some nice Italian blend or mozzarella cheese. You can just get it at Walmart or wherever. It's like pizza sauce you can get at Walmart.
Now it's time for the pepperonis, and you can really just put as many pepperonis on as you want.
Alright,
And then maybe some more cheese.
and after you get the cheese on there, you have this nice pizza. Then you can just add another piece of bread to make it a sandwich. Put the bread on top. Then we can stick it in the microwave for, I don't know, how long do you say?
Minute 25.
A minute and 25 seconds. This is yours?
Oh my bad.
There we go. Alright.
It's a little hot.
A little hot. You might give it a minute or so to cool. So yeah, these are really easy to make.
Really delicious.
They're pretty good so far.
For better results, it also helps if you maybe toasted the bread and then microwaved it. The bread won't be so soggy, but for dorm rooms this will be adequate. Well,
That's what we got. This is pretty good. Easy to make. Thanks, Harrison. We'll see you next week.